to show you how it looks in about 15 minutes time. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am here today with a DIY for you guys. Yes, so it's this DIY that I have seen a lot of people rave about. They talked about this so much and I'm so keen to try this out. I'm like, wow. And as you've already seen from the title, you know what I'm about to try for you guys, you know. So I'm kind of so curious to try it out. I've never tried this before. This is my first attempt. Before this video, I'd like to say thank you to all my wonderful subscribers. To all my new subscribers, I am saying a massive thank you to you all. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Returning subscribers, I also want to say thank you so much for tuning in. To get notification whenever I upload a new video, please go ahead and click that bell. It's very, very important. If you really want to know if this works really well on my skin or not, you need to watch till the end of this video because I haven't tried this before. This is my first time trying this, so I'm just so curious, you know. I really want to know how it works. I want to know if it's really going to work on my skin. So guys, for this mixture, you're going to need a bowl for mixture. And of course, your bicarbonate of soda. Make sure you're buying bicarbonate of soda, not baking powder. Because I've made this mistake before and I don't want you to make the same mistake. And you're going to need a toothpaste. I'm using Colgate. And you're going to be adding your Vaseline to it. So I think the reason why you have to add your Vaseline is to get your face moisturized so it doesn't leave your face so dry, because bicarbonate of soda can be very, very drying to the face. This mixture is supposed to help to get rid of all the black spots on your face and leave your face very moisturized. It will help your face to glow and it will leave your face very, very soft and moisturized. Let's go ahead and give this mixture a good stir, and now it is time to apply this mixture on my face, and you're going to start in a circular motion. Bicarbonate of soda will get rid of all the dead skin cells on your skin. This will enable your pores to open up and be able to breathe very well. Once your skin is able to breathe very well, you're surely going to get that glow. So you're going to get a toothbrush that you don't really use. So this is an old toothbrush, an abandoned toothbrush. You're going to use it to scrub your face in a circular motion. You're just going to take your time. And also do not forget your lips as well. Gonna leave this on for like 15 minutes and then I'll be back to show you how it looks. So guys, as you can see, my face is very red here, if you can observe it. So I think because I scrub my face too much, so I would advise not to put too much pressure on it. Guys, I'm back. I've washed my face, I've rinsed it out, and then I've moisturized my face, and this is how my face is looking at the moment. So it actually left my face really soft and moisturized. And I don't like about this is that it took me a long time to be able to rinse this mixture out of my face, you know. It was really hard taking it out of my face. I used lots and lots of water. It wasted my water. But eventually, I was able to take it out of my face. This is not something you can use on a daily basis. I would advise that you use it 3 times a week. I can't use this on a daily basis. It's actually okay to me. I think before you can get good results, okay, you have to be consistent with it. So I think I will give this a try for some months, and then I will update you with what I think about this DIY. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do not leave my channel without subscribing. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. Have you used this mixture? How did you feel about it? comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.